A needle in the haystack. We have to write a function find needle that takes a list full of junk but containing one needle. After your function finds the needle, it should return a message as a string that says found the needle at position plus the index it found the needle. How to go about that? There we are. This is the string that we have to return, but what do we actually have to do? We have to iterate through the list, of course, find the index, the value needle, and return the string. Let's start with the beginning. How do we get the index of the needle if we eventually find it? We need the length property of the haystack, LAN, and then pass in the haystack as an argument. That's 10. So we have to iterate 10 times through the haystack. And we can do it as follows for index in the range. And then we can put in how many times we want to iterate. Well, 10 times, and that's equal to the length of the haystack. Let's print the index and the accompanying values by giving in the list haystack and then in curly brackets the index. Yeah, so the needle is at the third position, so that's correct. But then we have to use conditions. If the haystack is equal to the needle, colon, then we have to return the index. And in other cases, this is not mandatory, by the way, but we can return a default string if there is no needle at all at the haystack. Return there is no needle at all. So let's try this out. 3. We are getting there, but we actually have to return this entire string. Let's call it the template. But this 3 is a fixed value and we should replace it by the actual index that we find. Let's make a placeholder of that. And then we can use the format method and pass in the value that we want to place in the placeholder here. That would be the index. And that should work out. Works as designed. Well, let's test it out. Works like a charm. If this has been useful, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.